Hello Devendra, Isra and Pooja Chobe. It is your matter also. Be careful and listen the matter carefully. Hello student, today I am going to teach you about the transformation. As usual in class 12, it is selected chapter for the class 12. Let us come to the topic of transformation. What is transformation and how will you transform the sentence? First, you know that at once to know that what is transformation. Transformation. Mr. Rishabh, be careful to know that what is transformation. Transformation means transform the sentence. The main sentence should be changed but the sense of the real sentence cannot be changed, never be changed. But here is one question arises before you. Okay, how will you transform the sentence? Different types of the rules of the transformation are included in grammar. First, to know that if there is one question, I'm a boy. Example, I am a boy. Change into negative, transform into negative. Real sentence, example of the real sentence is I am a boy. Students to change anyhow to change in negative, but the real sense of this sentence cannot be changed. Suppose I am a boy, so to transform it, I am not a girl. If you write here I am not a girl, it means that you are a boy. I am a boy, I am not a girl. It has been changed into negative, and the sense of the both sentence are equal. If I am a boy, I am not a girl. Like this. Rule number 1. Remove to, adverb to. Remove adverb to. to will be changed into so. Second, that and to or do changed into that cannot. Example, I'm too old to run. Transform it into negative. I am T2 change into so. Yes, I have written here 2 will be changed into so. So I am so old that I cannot run. TO2 change into that cannot. So I have written here that I cannot run. I am so old that I cannot run. I am too old to run. Both sentences are equal. If you want to transform it into negative, easily you can write here TOO2 change into so and TO2 change into that I cannot. And easily you can write. Next example, take the next example. She is too fat to move. Transform into negative. How will you transform it? As usual, I have written here, I have given the example of I'm too old to run, I'm so old that I cannot run. Like this to be transformed, this sentence into negative. She is so fat. She is so fat that she cannot move. She cannot move. Student, mind here, transformation, it is very easy, very simple chapter for the student of class 12th. If you want to transform the sentence, to read the sentence first carefully what the matter has given in question paper. If the question has given in change, transform into negative, transform into affirmative, transform into superlative degree, transform into positive degree, and so anyhow to transform, but to mind here the main sentence, the real sentence, the sense of the real sentence never be changed. The transformation of the sentence same like as the real sentence, which has given in the question paper. So read the carefully what the matter has given. Next, rule number 2. Rule number 2. As already you know that an adjective which qualifies the noun and pronoun. The adjective, quality of adjective, here are 3 types of quality qualifies. First quality, positive degree, comparative degree, and third superlative degree. If you want to transform the sentence into positive degree, if the sentence has given in comparative or superlative and transform into positive, the rule of the positive should be followed by the students. If the sentence has given in superlative and want to change into comparative, the rule should be followed according to the given sentence. Suppose some example. She is one of the best students of her class. Change into positive degree. transform into positive degree. Transform into positive degree. Positive degree. First, rule number 1. If C is one of the best students of her class, he is one of the best student of her class. No other student is as good as C in her class. So no other students. Now here is the negative transformation, and the degree of this superlative degree change into good. As I have written here the best, and so it is in good. The adjective, the degree is also changed. Degree of the best change into good, and I have given the transform into the positive degree. So the degree of good, best is changed into good, and it is the example of the positive degree. Given sentence is in superlative, and the transformation of the sentence is the positive degree. So no other student is as good as C. It is the example of the positive degree. The first, no other plus subject plus auxiliary plus as plus positive degree plus given object plus complement it is one of the example of transform into positive degree. Second example, if you want to change into superlative degree, I'm a good boy in my class. Change into superlative, transform into superlative degree. Transform. First, you have given here positive degree. I am a good boy in my class, and so to transform it into superlative degree, first you have to write here what subject is given. No, never will we change the subject. Subject is the same like as given here in sentence. I am one of the best. I am one of the best boys in my class. It is in superlative degree, the best. And the sense of the both sentence, I am a good boy in my class. Here the goodness is qualified. The boys is qualified by the good, and here the boys is qualified by the best. Both are the same sentence, and the sense of the sentence, I am one of the best boys in my class. I am a good boy in my class. And if you write in positive degree, easily you can write here, I am a good boy in my class. I am one of the best boy in my class. No other boy is as good as I. No other boy is as good as I. Usually you can write it also. No other boy is as good as I in my class. Here are three types of the sentence, and the sense of the three sentences are equal. But in condition of the first sentence, I am a good boy in my class. But second sentence, I am one of the best boy in my class. So here is the superlative degrees, because boys qualified by is the best, one of the best boys. If only one boy is one of the best boys among the boys, one boy is best in my class. And now the third sentence, no other boys is as good as I. Here no other boys, negative also here remarked, and as good as I. So it is negative. Now the second sentence is one of the best, superlative, and the first sentence is in positive degree. Okay, like this to be changed. The rule of the transformations are very different types of the rules. Students, it's my opinion about the transformation. It is very simple way of the students. Easily you can know that how will you change the sentence, how will you transform the sentence. But first, to read and carefully to read the sentence, what the sentence has written in your question paper, and how, in which way want to transform it. If the transform way is in negative, to change it to in negative way, but the sense of the sentence never be changed. Second, if the sentence has given to transform it in superlative degree, at least to be transformed into superlative degree, and the main sentence and the transformation of the sentence both are equal in the sense. Sense never be changed. Sense are equals. First real sentence and the transformation of the sentence both. Hello student. Narration that I have in previous programs I have taught you what is narration, how will you change into direct to indirect narration. Narration is also a transformation. The main sense of the direct narration is the same sense of the indirect narration. Narration is not beyond of the transformation, it is also same sense of the transformation. It is a part of transformation. Narration already you know that here is the two part of the narration. One is the one part is narration is called main clause, principal clause, and the other part of the narration is called subordinate clause. Or easily you can say that first part of the narration is reporting verb and other part of the narration is reported speech. And combination of the narration, both part as a principal clause and the subordinate clause, combined with a coordinating clause, if, that, so, and different types of the conjunction, which combine the both part as a principal clause and subordinate clause. But this main direct narration and indirect narration, the sense of the direct and indirect narration are equal. Suppose if I have given here direct narration, she says to me, I love you. Hello student. Now I have given a narration. The first part of this narration is reporting verb, and second part of this narration is reported speech. Or we say that the first part of this narration is principal clause and other part of this narration is subordinate clause. The sense of this narration is she says to me I love you, वह मुझसे कहती है I love you. So if you want to change into indirect, she tells me that she loves me. The sense of the both sentence here and हियर एंड हियर बोथ सेंटेंस, यहाँ और वहाँ जो भी वाक्य जो दो दिया है, टू सेंटेंसेस I have written first direct and second indirect narration. The first narration is here. She says to me, I love you. She tells me that she loves me. Both are the same sense. Only I have transformed it into direct to indirect. The sense of the both sentences are equal, but the rules are different. First rules, obey and follow the direct way of the narration, and second rule is followed according to the rules of the indirect narration, as usual given in your grammar book. So the narration is also a part of transformation. Students, it is not a very difficult and very complicated matter. Transformation, narration is also a transformation. In class 12, different types of the chapter, two chapters has given, one transformation and second narration, but if carefully read it, that you will get the transformation narrations are both same sense of the same way of the rules. First I have given here example, easily you know it, you can understand that what matter has given here. First direct and second indirect. The sense of the direct is the sense of indirect. It is only the transform. I have transformed it into indirect. First sentence has given indirect, so it only have transformed. Only it has been transformed by the rules of the narration. So it is one part of the transformation. Okay. Next day, I will taught you that how many different types of the rules and regulation of transformation, and how will you transform the sentence. And the transformation is very simple, and narration and transformation both are as usual brothership, दोनों में भाईचारे की दोस्ती है, both are the same brother. There is no complicated matter for you. Okay students, thank you.